ready to turn your Wix website into a powerhouse that attracts customers and boosts your online presence. First, let's nail the design. Choose a template that perfectly reflects your brand and industry. Consider your target audience and ensure the design resonates with them. Think clean layouts, easy-to-read fonts, and a consistent color palette to establish brand recognition. Next, optimize your images for speed by compressing them without sacrificing quality. Large images slow down your site, hurting user experience, and SEO. Wix has built-in tools to help you with this, so use them. Now, let's talk SEO. Use Wix SEO is to identify relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally into your website copy, page titles, and meta descriptions. Remember, relevant keywords will help search engines find your website. Make sure your website is easy to navigate with clear menus and intuitive site structure. Use clear calls to action to guide your visitors and improve overall user experience. Content is king. Create high-quality blog posts, articles, and videos that provide value to your audience. Use relevant keywords in your content and keep your site fresh and engaging. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. More and more people are browsing on their phones. A responsive design is crucial for reaching a wider audience and improving your search ranking. Finally, track your results using Wix Analytics. Monitor your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and continue optimizing your website for maximum success. Good luck.